After enduring a series of strikes from Google's video sharing platform YouTube, with hundreds of Bitcoin and crypto videos being deleted, the crypto community is now facing another ban. This time Google has suspended MetaMask, a crypto wallet and mobile browser that is backed by Ethereum incubator Consensus. The Google Play App Store is no longer listing MetaMask as Android client. MetaMask's technology allows users to manage their crypto, browse the Ethereum blockchain from a standard browser, run Ethereum dApps and make Ethereum transactions. Last year it became the most popular Ethereum wallet worldwide when it hit a milestone of 1.3 million downloads. Google claims that MetaMask violated its financial services policies, which also expressly prohibits crypto mining on mobile devices. MetaMask has cried foul and has appealed the decision, but to no avail, despite clarifying that the company's technology does not do crypto mining. The appeal rejection cited the same policy: no mining on Android. We don't. It isn't clear whether the reviewer doesn't understand the policy, or whether they are enforcing an unwritten policy. Either way, it is time to sharp protect web. Google's financial services policy also states, we don't allow apps that expose users to deceptive or harmful financial products and services. For the purposes of this policy, we consider financial products and services to be those related to the management or investment of money and cryptocurrencies, including personalized advice. If your app contains or promotes financial products and services, you must comply with state and local regulations for any region or country that your app targets. For example, include specific disclosures required by local law. MetaMask's crypto wallet was previously delisted on the Chrome Web Store in July of 2018, but it was promptly reinstated. According to MetaMask, our community spoke loudly then, and we were spontaneously relisted. As a Web 3.0 tool, MetaMask is focused on promoting decentralization, a hallmark of the next iteration of T. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.